So hey guys, welcome to Edufy. Today we'll be discussing the current affairs of 22nd of September. So let's start with the first question. World Rhino Day is annually observed on which date? So it is annually observed on 22nd of September, and it is basically observed to spread the awareness about 5 rhino species around the world. And in India there are 5 national parks which are famous for one-horn rhino, and those are 2 in West Bengal, and the national park name are Jaldapara, Gorumara National Park, and there are 3 in Assam, which are Orang National Park, Manas National Park, and Digru Saikoba. Try to remember as much as possible. Let's move to the next question. Who broke the national record at 60th National Open Athletics Championship? So the record has been broken by Harmilan Kaur Bains for 1500-meter race, and she covered 1500 meter in 4 minutes and 5 seconds. Earlier Sunita Rani was having the record, and the time was 4 minutes and 6 seconds in 2002, and Harmilan Kaur Bains had broken the record of Sunita Rani, and she hails from Punjab. Let's move to the next question. Who has been appointed as Ambassador for Global Health Financing of WHO? So it is Gordon Brown. You can see in the picture. He also served as the Prime Minister of United Kingdom from a period of 2007 to 2010. If we talk about WHO, where is the headquarters? It is in Geneva, Switzerland. Who is currently the Director of WHO? It is Tedros Adhanom. Just remember the name. Next question. Who has been appointed as the Goodwill Ambassador for Water Conservation Campaign by Haryana government? So it is Manika Shokant. Recently she was crowned as Femina Miss Grand India. She hails from Haryana. And who is currently the CM of Haryana? It is Manohar Lal Khattar, and governor is Bandaru. And also remember that Haryana government is going to set up an export promotion bureau to promote the export. Next question. Who is the author of the book Dancing with Dreams? So it has been written by Adityanath Das, and he is the Chief Secretary of Andhra Pradesh. Just remember the name of the author and the book. Next question. Copper Mahasir, locally also known as Katli, has been declared as a state fish of which state? So it has been declared as a state fish of Sikkim. You can see in the picture. If we talk about Sikkim, who is currently the CM of Sikkim? It is Prem Singh Tamang. And who is the governor? It is Ganga Prasad. And what is the capital of Sikkim? It is Gangtok. And if we talk about India's highest mountain peak, Kanchenjunga, is there in Sikkim, and its height is 8,849 feet. And what is the name of the world's highest mountain peak? It is Mount Everest. It is in the common region of Nepal, Tibet, China, in Himalayan ranges. And what is the height of Mount Everest? It is 29,029 feet, more than 3 times the height of Kanchenjunga. Let's move to the next question. Paytm is going to partner with which bank to launch co-branded credit cards? So Paytm is going to partner with HDFC Bank. And who is the CEO of HDFC Bank? It is Shashidhar Jagdishan. And where is the headquarters of HDFC Bank? It is in Mumbai, and the tagline is "We understand your world." And if we talk about Paytm, its headquarters in Noida, and the CEO is Vijay Shekhar Sharma. Try to remember the whole data, it is very important with respect to the banking exams. And let's move to the next question. Who has become the new Chief Minister of Punjab? So it is Charanjit Singh Channi. He belongs to a party called Indian National Congress, and he is the 27th CM of Punjab. He was preceded by Amarinder Singh, and Charanjit Singh Channi, he was previously served as the Minister of Technical Education and Training. Next question. Satoshi Nakamoto statue has been unveiled in Hungary. He is the founder of which cryptocurrency? So Satoshi Nakamoto is the founder of Bitcoin, and his statue is going to be unveiled in Hungary. And in Hungary, city called Budapest. It is also the capital of Hungary. In the city, the statue is going to be unveiled. If we talk about Bitcoin, Bitcoin is the world's largest cryptocurrency. Currently, the value of one Bitcoin is 31,47,265 rupees. Bitcoin is basically built on a technology called blockchain, and you don't have to do anything with this technology. Just remember the name and the country in which the statue is going to be built. Next question. Who has won Asian Snooker Championship 2021? So he is Pankaj Advani, and this championship was held in Qatar, and the city is Doha. And Pankaj Advani is 23 times world champion. He is an Arjuna awardee for billiards and snooker. He has been also given some other awards like Padma Bhushan and Padma Shri. Next question. Ministry of Communication honored whom with a commemorative postage stamp on his 515th birth anniversary? So it is Rao Jaimal Rathore, and it will be launched by Devu Sinha Chauhan. He is the Union Minister of States of Ministry of Communication. Just remember the name. Next question. According to the Global Trade Outlook given by the UK Department of International Trade, India will become fourth largest importer by which year? So India will become by 2030, and by 2050 it will become the third largest importer with a share of 5.9% of the global trade import, and first will be China, second will be USA. Next question. Jimmy Greaves passed away. He was a professional footballer from which country? So he hails from England. Next question. Which state has launched Sarkar Tumhacche Dari program, also known as Government at Your Doorstep program? So it is launched by the government of Goa. Goa's CM Pramod Sawant launched this program, and the aim of this program is to address the grievance among the citizens of Goa while availing government schemes and initiatives. Basically, people face problems in availing the government schemes and initiatives, and this program will help them to avail it easily. Question of the day for banking special is, where is the headquarters of NPCI and when it was formed? So it is in Mumbai, and it was formed in 2008. Basically, NPCI, National Payment Corporation of India, is an initiative of RBI and Indian Bank Association. It was formulated to operate retail payments and settlement system in India, and it was launched under the provision of Payment Settlement Act 2007. And basically, NPCI is an umbrella organization. And what is the meaning of umbrella organization? Many other subsidiaries comes under it, like Aadhaar Enabled Payment System, UPI, Unique Payment Interface, RuPay, Bharat Interface for Money, BHIM, and Bharat QR, etc. are the subsidiaries of NPCI. Hence, it is called an umbrella organization. Try to remember the act and the year it was formed, and let's move to the next question. So, question of the day, SSC specialist: which period in Indian history is known as Delhi Sultanate period? So it is 1206 to 1526 AD. And if we talk about the dynasties in the Delhi Sultanate period, first was Slave dynasty, second was Khilji dynasty, third was Tughlaq dynasty, and fourth was Sayyid dynasty, and fifth was Afghan or Lodi dynasty. And their respective years are given. Try to remember as much as possible from this data, and that's all for today. You have to like this video, subscribe the channel, and share as much as possible. You can download the PDF from the Telegram group, link given in the description. Thank you.